The Mifo FiiTii HiFIDots are remarkable true wireless earbuds with a triple driver setup, making them high-quality Bluetooth in-ear monitor (IEM) earbuds. Their adaptive active noise cancellation (ANC) effectively reduces background noise, though it struggles with human voices. Transparency mode is muted, but the wind mode is exceptional for calls in windy conditions. The triple driver configuration, 2 armature drivers and 1 dynamic driver, shines in sound quality. It offers expansive audio with a focus on higher frequencies, making them ideal for audio monitoring and gaming, especially in scenarios reliant on audio cues. The microphones capture clear voices but could improve noise suppression. The design is elegant, with a charging case resembling a polished pebble and a unique lid opening mechanism. The earbuds have a futuristic look with LED lights serving as both aesthetics and indicators. The earbuds' touch controls are customizable through the FiiTii mobile app, which also provides battery status monitoring, ANC settings, EQ adjustments, light effects customization, and touch control remapping. Under the hood, the HiFIDots feature a Qualcomm 3071 Bluetooth chip with support for Snapdragon sound, absolute Bluetooth volume, multi-point connectivity, and various audio codecs. Gamers will appreciate the low latency mode with a 68 milliseconds response time. These earbuds are IPX7 waterproof, suitable for workouts and daily use. They offer up to 6 hours of playback with moderate ANC and 4.5 hours with strong ANC at 50% volume. Charging takes about 50 minutes for the earbuds and 1 hour for the case, with a quick 10-minute charge providing 1 hour and 40 minutes of playtime. In summary, the Mifo FiiTii HiFIDots combine exceptional sound quality, adaptable noise cancellation, comfort, and user-focused features. While they have minor limitations, they are a compelling option in the market,